Hello, I'm Roger Gillette with Schaeffler Service Brand Rep Expert. Today I want to discuss with you the value of doing what we commonly refer to as system solutions. When repairing or replacing a component on a vehicle, it's always a good idea to inspect the mating components as well as other parts within the same system for wear and tear. For example, if you're to replace a serpentine belt for the accessory drive, inspect the other components such as the tensioner and pulleys for any potential damages. If there's anything that is worn or out of specification, now is a good time to replace it. The other thing to take into consideration is the time and or mileage that they have been on the vehicle and likelihood that it may fail soon. It just makes sense to replace the other components in the same system to avoid a potential comeback and an unhappy customer. Keep in mind, this can be a cost saver to your customer as well, as it will reduce the labor charge they could potentially face if the system were to fail later. This same mindset can be utilized in virtually any repair. When doing a clutch replacement, inspect the hydraulics and replace them if worn or as preventative maintenance. While doing a timing belt that has a belt-driven water pump, it would be a good idea to replace the pump while you're replacing the belt. Just make sure you are following good practice guidelines when suggesting replacement of parts and explaining to your customer the value of having it done to prevent future issues. It's also a good idea to inspect the manufacturer's recommended maintenance intervals. Some applications call for replacement of brake fluid as early as every 2 years, which can affect clutch hydraulic performance as well. Engine oil intervals, as well as oil type, should be adhered to. Neglecting to do so can cause premature wear to the timing belt chain drive system and other internal engine components, which will likely cause costly repairs to the engine. If you have any questions or for more technical tips, please visit us on any Rep Expert portal.